Can't wait to join TeraBox referral program and make money? It's really easy. There are only 3 steps. First, register and join the program. Second, upload and share your files. Last, withdraw your money anytime. This video will show you more details. Come to learn and earn money now. First, enter the TeraBox official website and register an account. When you have done registration, you will log in automatically. Then please click here and you will enter Webmaster Center. There are 2 plans to make money. Please choose one to start. The new users plan, by sharing file links for every new user you bring in, you get 10 cents. The video plays plan, by sharing a video for every 1,000 plays, you get $1.20. After you join our plan successfully, click here to share files and earn rewards. And then click here to upload your files. You can upload all kinds of files like documents, videos, photos, and audios. After uploading successfully, click here and copy the generated link. You can share them on your website and social media. You can share them wherever people come together, like Facebook groups and forums. Finally, don't forget to describe the files you're sharing. You can see your commission at Webmaster Center. Please note that the cash rewards are updated each day, and it is statistics of the previous day. The URL is only accessible on PC. Click here to withdraw your commission. You can withdraw anytime when it totals over $20. What's more, there are no handling fees. Look forward to your participation. Money waits for no man. The earlier you start, the better your chances of earning more. If you have any questions, please leave a message in the comments area.